Now we're going to discuss about the sir. Sir, we have studied about the LCM. We studied about the fractional. But sir, when the problem comes like this, for example, I can say 1 by AB plus 1 by BC plus 1 by CA. For example, in this type of problem, right? How can we solve this type of question? And how can we take the LCM, right? Because, sir, 1 by AB plus 1 by BC plus 1 by... Don't look at me. Hey, look at the board. Why look at me? मेरे मुंह में लिखा हुआ क्या रे? Since 1 by AB plus 1 by BC plus 1 by... फिर मुझे देख रहा हो. 1 by AB plus 1 by BC plus 1 by CA. Sir, I have studied in the past. For example, sir, I have a question 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 7. Sir, because we know that there is no any common factor among 3, 5, and 7, right? The LCM will be, I can write LCM 3 into 5 into 7. I can do this?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Yaar? I can multiply together as well. You can multiply all this number, you will get a big number. But sir, somebody can write like this. Why so? Because it is very easy to divide. What will happen? 3 multiply 5 multiply 7 divided by 3. 3 will be cancelled out. And what is left? 35. So I can write directly 35, or also I can write 5 into 7. I can write 5 into 7. Okay, second, you tell me. 5 divided. What is left? Sir, 5 will be cancelled out. Only 3 and 7 will be left. So I can 21. I can write this. 7 cancelled out. So I can write. So just tell me which one is easy. If you multiply all this one together, the 7 5 35 multiply 3. What will you get? 100. So, sir, 105 divided by 3. Again, you will get 35.
Yes, sir.
Again, you will get 35 now. Am I right here?
Yes, sir, you are right.
Yeah. So guys, 105 divided by 3. So just this time you have to divide it. It means you have to divide by 3 because we don't know in which channel it is going to come. Okay. So 3 3 are 9. Okay. 1 and 5. 3 5 are 15. Right now. So guys, in this time again I'll get the same thing. If I get the same thing, why don't we write like this way? Why don't we do that? Because it is easy to do that, right? Now come here, sir. In this time. Let me take one more example. Sir, if I'll say 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. Hey, this thing you have to copy. Right now, I'm just all this doing the bullshit things. But this thing you have to copy. Okay, keep in the mind. Otherwise, I'll just because मैं भूल जाता हूँ. See what is बोला तुम लोग. So A, B, and C, right? What is that? So I can write that A, B, C. Can I do this? Can I do this A, B, C? Tell me now, yaar. Why do we write the A, B, C? Because like A, B, C. Somebody yesterday took my marker. कौन लिया था कल ले? Oh, I'm sorry, no problem. So ABC divided by A, what will you get? What will you get? BC. What will you get? BC. Divided by B, what will you get? AC. C divided by C. अभी नहीं मेरा हाथ खाली लग रहा ना वो 4 मार्कर नहीं तो पढ़ाने का मजा नहीं आता. अच्छा ये क्या है? Okay. Oh, अच्छा यहाँ पे. Okay, no problem. Let's go. No problem. It's not a big deal. Okay. Come on, next one. So guys, now I can take ABC like this. Okay. Sir, now in this time, sir, LCM of ABC as well of all this one. What nonsense is that? So, sir, ABC was there ABC in the denominator. LCM ABC is ABC. And again, this thing also you're writing ABC. What nonsense is that? LCM also you're writing ABC. What kind of nonsense going on? Question arises? Sir, LCM of AB, BC, CA is ABC. Why do you do that? How did you do that? Why did you do that? How did you do that? The question, 2 questions, na? Sir, why did you do that? Okay, accept that. How did you do that? I don't accept. Right, bro? Sir, why did you do that? Okay, so no problem. So ABC will be answer. No problem. It's not a big deal. Problem is that how did you do that? I want to see that. दुनिया में क्यों हो रहा है चीजें हमें नहीं पता कैसे हो रहा बस ये पता है आपको पता है वाई का जवाब नहीं है पानी उबल रहा भाप बनता है क्यों बनता है नहीं पता कैसे बनता है ये पता है समझ बात को जिसको क्यों का ही नहीं पता वो खुदा को ढूंढ रहा है आगे बढ़ते हैं सर एबीसी tell me now अरे एबीसी देखो एबीसी सर now this time AB, BC, C, LCM is still ABC. That time is still ABC. So 2 different questions, but taking the same as. Sadia. Control your eyes. No. सोच बोलो तुमने नजर नीचे करी नहीं करी ना हाँ look at the board. Stop होता है मेरे को. No, I don't like this. Right now I'm speaking, you cannot look here and there. Complete focus there on the board. Complete focus. A, B, B, C, and C. So let's go back the childhood when we were just 2 months old. Let's go back there. So at that time, okay, no, sir, we were writing ABC, trying to write ABC and AB and BC and C, right? Sir, okay, sir. If I'll take A, what will happen, guys? Sir, AB divided by A, what will you get? You'll get B. What nonsense is that? No? So AB divided by A, you will get B. Oh, sir, A divided by like it is like looking like the B. And A divided by A equal to B. You know, looking like that equal to the B. Equal chopper. Let's go. So, so in this time now, sir, AB divided by A, you will get. Yaar, AB divided by A, it will be cancelled. You will get B na yaar. You will get B. Now what is that? BC divided by A divided by A. In the LCM, we know that if any number does not come, for example, in the table of the two, we just copy the same number again. For example, if in the LCM, what is the rule? So it will be 3 will be cancelled. Huh? But why? I'm gonna give the answer how. I cannot give the answer why. No, keep it now. Don't worry. I'll give the right now. I don't want to put the mind in that zone because I'm completely focused in this one now. So BC will be copied out. BC will be copied out now. Okay, now in this time you tell me. C will be there. Okay, let's take sir B. Let's take B. B divided by B. You'll get 1. BC divided by B. C. And C will be copied. Sir, C. 1, 1, and 1. Multiply all this one together. A multiply B multiply C equal to ABC. I hope you understood that. You understand that? So still now I can say that. What can I say? So LCM of the ABC is ABC. Or I can say that AB, BC, and C is still ABC. I hope you understood that. Let's come on. Now ABC divided by AB. C is there, right? Wrong? BC divided by ABC divided by BC. You'll get ABC divided by CA. Tell me now, yaar. B, right? Wrong? Tell me now. So I can decorate all this one together. I can write A plus B plus C by A, B, C. Did you understand that? You understand that? Now let's come back that story. Yesterday we were doing. Only just tell me the power. What was the power? Last term it was the power. Tell me that one only. One second. Let me chill. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry. Let me chill now. Look at the board. I'm wasting a lot of time to erase this one here. What's going on? We need digital board. I think. Thank you. Yeah, it's going on. Let's go. Yeah, it's going good. Yeah, tell me now. Only the power form. Don't talk about the x. Don't tell me the base. Only just tell me what about power. Last time where we have to solve the question. I'm gonna make it 2 number. And x to the power something was there na yaar. Okay, tell me what was the x to the power? 1 upon A minus B. Huh? A minus C plus 1 upon B minus C. B minus A. It is right? Okay, plus everybody. C minus A. C minus. Now, in this time, first of all, yesterday I was telling you something. First of all, we have to make equal something, right? What is that? Sir, it is A minus B, but it is B minus A. It is A minus C, but it is C minus A. If we'll make it equal, then easy to tag the LCM. So I'm going to write only this portion. I'm going to copy this portion again. I'm going to write the base. But there's no problem with the base, na yaar. Whatever the result will come out, I'll put that power upon the base, right? But right now I'm copying only the powers, only the. And right now we're dealing with the power, na yaar. What we're dealing with? It's with that. We are not dealing with the power. We are dealing with the power now. तो खामोश नहीं रह सकता. ये खामोशी मुझे पसंद बिल्कुल नहीं. सच कह रहा. बोलना है तो बोल. ना तो निकलते बन यहाँ से. सच कह रहा हूँ. सुबह सुबह चढ़ा मत. समझ लो बात को. मेरे हुजरे में नहीं कहीं और रख दो. मेरे हुजरे में नहीं कहीं और रख दो. आसमान लाओ जमीन पे रख दो. मैंने ताक पे रखे हैं कुछ दिए. चांद तारों को उठाकर वहीं रख दो. रात इंदौरी साहब, पता है क्यों कहा था? पता क्यों? उसने कहा था मुझे मुझे इस दुनिया से बेनियाज हो चुका हूं मैं, मतलब तेरी तेरी दौलत, तेरी शोहरत, तेरी इज्जत, तेरी बुलंदी, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता मेरी बुलंदी में क्या होना है ना थी, मतलब कोई मैटर नहीं करता मेरे लिए, मतलब ये मैं उस इंतहा पे जा चुका हूं, मुझे लगता है कि उस इंतहा पे जाके लिखा होगा ये शायरी। मैं फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता तू मेरी तारीफ कर रहा है, मुझे क्रिटिसाइज कर रहा है, या कोई बहुत बुलंदी पे चला गया, बुर्ज खलीफा बना, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, दुनिया है, फानी है, खत्म हो जाएगा। मेरे हुजरे में नहीं। और बात देखो उसने किस हद तक करी, ये नहीं कहा मेरे महल में, ना ना ना, मैं छोटा सा, मेरी दुनिया है। कौन सी दुनिया? एक जो मेरे माइंड, सबकॉन्शियस माइंड बैठा हुआ है, वो दुनिया जहां मैं रहता हूं, जहां मैं रहता हूं, हमनी, मैं रहता हूं, मैं को खोज। अल्लाह इकबाल ने कहा था ना, घर खुदी को बुलंद, वो मैं की खोज। गो गो जो सबकॉन्शियस माइंड, तब तू पाएगा उसको उधर, वो जो सातों आसमान के ऊपर है उसको पाएगा तू, जा उधर, उधर खोज। सच कह रहा हूं, एक इम्प्लीमेंटेशन रखा अल्लाह ने, हमारे चिप रखा है, बहुत मुश्किल से जाते हैं उस तह तक लोग, बड़ी मौत आ जाती, मौत तक आने तक नहीं मिलती, वो बहुत मुश्किल से मिलती है, वो वाली चीज चिप जाके खोज। इंस्ट्रूमेंट जो हुई है, वो जो बैठा हुआ है लास्ट, पता नहीं कौन सी न्यूरॉन्स, मुझे लगता है कि ट्रिलियंस ऑफ न्यूरॉन्स के बाद होगा वो, उसको खोज, हो जाके उसको और निकाल बाहर उसको, और तब कहे दुनिया को, चैलेंज कर दुनिया को मुल्ला उमर की तरह, मैं बेनियाज हूं डरामत भोग से। Let's go. So guys, now I'm gonna copy now 1 by a minus b and a minus c plus 1 by b minus c। खोज खोज, अपनी तलाश में निकल, अपनी तलाश में निकल, तलाश में निकल, खुद को तलाश करने की जरूरत है। भूल चुका है तू, खुद को भुला दिया आप लोगों ने, खुद की तलाश में निकल। मैं कल भी सफर में था, मैं आज भी सफर में हूं, फर्क बस इतना था, कल मैं अपनों की तलाश में था, कल मैं अपनों की तलाश में था, आज मैं अपनी तलाश में हूं, इतनी सी फर्क है बस। अपनी तलाश में निकला हूं मैं, और अपनी तलाश में जब लोग निकलते हैं ना, फिर वो बेनियाज हो जाता दुनिया से, फिर लोगों से, लोग ना उससे बड़े प्यारे लगने लगते हैं, फिर उसे उतना उतना ज्यादा उसको प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती, लोगों से कोई खास नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, चलेगा, कोई दुनिया है, खत्म हो जाएगा, चंद दिनों की बात है भाई, चंद दिनों की बात है, बस चंद लम्हे की बात है, मैं चंद दिनों बोल दिया, चंद लम्हे की बात है, खत्म। जिंदगी से किसकी रुस्तगारी है? मत कर गुड़गुड़ी, ऐसा है शरीर का, तेरा भी खाक होगा, मेरा भी खाक होगा। Let's go. So now in this time, first of all, sir, okay sir, one second, if I'll tag now, what was that? B minus A, let's go. Sir, A minus B, it is B minus A. What is that? By any chance, if I'll make it equal, then it is very easy to solve. Let me tell you, for example, what I'm talking about. Let me discuss what I'm talking about. Let me put the start here. Sir, 1 by A minus B plus 1 by B minus A. Sir, what will happen in this time? Sir, A and B also there, both the plus A and B are there. What will happen? What will happen if I told you, sir, if I'll tell you, do the one thing, sir, now in this time, sir, A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Commutative law of subtraction. 2 minus 3 is not equal to 3 minus 2. By 2 minus 3 is not equal to 2 minus. Thank you. So it means two different terms are there. You will say, sir, I don't know China anything, don't speak anything now. You will say, sir, I will take the LCM. A minus B, or I'll take B minus A. So you'll take the LCM like this, because two different terms, we are considering two different terms here. You will take A minus B and B minus A, right? Oh यार कनर्जी यार पता नहीं कहाँ यार सिर, what happened to you? Okay, there we go. So A minus B and B minus A. So in this time now, sir, A minus B and B minus. Sir, somebody will say, sir, 1 second, sir, why taking the two different terms LCM? Why taking two different LCM? Sir, do the one thing. Somebody will say, sir, 1 second, sir, I have an idea. From Vodafone, okay? I have an idea from Vodafone. Vodafone was a SIM. Do you know that? Aircell, Vodafone, सब डुबो दिया. Aircell, BSNL, Vodafone, सब डुबो दिया. BSNL from the government डुबा दिया. जियो आने के बाद आगे बढ़ते हैं. Let's go. गवर्नमेंट जियो कंपनी क्या कही? भाई BSNL देखो नेटवर्क नहीं पहुंचा रही है. अरे भाई साहब, सैटेलाइट तुम्हारा BSNL पे ही काम कर रहा है. उतना तो नेटवर्क पहुंचा दिया, यहाँ पे गांव को नेटवर्क नहीं पहुंचा पाएगा. मतलब कि छोड़ो यार, मुंह खुल जाता मेरा. A minus B and B minus A. A minus B, B minus. Sir, do the one thing. 1 by A minus B. Sir, if I take the common minus, what will happen? A minus B. I can see this. In this time, if we'll take the minus common, what will happen? Minus B plus A to B. What will be? I can do this. Now, 1 by A minus B. I told you, this plus and minus will multiply to each other. Plus and minus, what will happen? Minus 1 by A minus. Do you understand that? So now, A minus B, A minus B. Let's assume 7 under 7. Let's assume 6 under 7. Let's assume 6 under 6. Let's assume X under X. Let's assume Y under Y. So what is LCM? A minus B, right or wrong? What is that? A minus B. So now in this time I can say that what will be? 1 minus 1 equal to 0 by A minus B equal to 0. I can do this. I can do this. So now this time, sir, I get a 0. So that time also we would get 0. Solve that. Solve. No problem. Try to solve. No problem. Yeah. Now let's say A minus B and B minus A. Tell me now, yaar. So A minus B divided. What is left? B minus A plus. Tell me, guys. A minus B. A cancel. B cancel. Sir, 0 by A minus B and B minus. Just you tell me which one is the more easiest to solve. Somebody will say, sir, this one. Somebody will say this one. So both are easy. But problem is that this time, answer you get same. Bhai, you will get 0. No changes. Answer no changes. Oh, yeah. Answer no changes. Yeah, of course. It was no changes. So why don't we do that? If we do this, then you will take the one-time LCM. Now you're thinking it is more easy. Now this time is more complex. Because you have to do A minus B, you have to write A minus B, A minus C, you have to write A minus C, you have to write B minus C, you have to write B minus A. You have to write C minus A, and you have to write C minus B. A big LCM you will get that. There's no big deal. We can solve that. We can solve that. No, yeah. We can solve that, right? There's no big deal, right? Why also still we can solve that, right? There's no big deal. भाई पता नहीं क्यों लगता है मुझे यार A minus B and A minus C. So this time, if we take the LCM, what will you get? Okay, what will you get? Listen now. Try to understand that. Try to understand now. Try to understand. Sir, what will happen? What will happen this time? Now, what will happen, guys? What will happen? Somebody, sir, I want to tag the LCM directly. No need to this talk or that talk. Let me tag LCM directly. Sir, A minus B, right, wrong? And A minus, right, wrong? Sir, bhai, A minus B is not equal to B minus A. There are two different, because it is commutative property of subtraction, right? By 2 minus 3 is not equal to 3 minus 2. Yaar. Since our childhood, we know that.
Yes, sir.
So now in this time, can you see the board? Jump, can you see the board? Huh? Can you see the board? तो इधर बैठेगी कल से. समझा बात? इधर बैठेगी. Understand that? Do you understand that? You'll say it here. हंसते रहती है पूरा. Let's go now. So A minus B, A minus C, A minus B and A minus C, and here B minus C here. Tell me. And sir, a big LCM. Now we got. Tell me now, yaar. Here we got the big LCM. Now you tell me, sir. If we divide this one by the denominator, LCM divided by denominator, A minus B and A minus cancel out. What is left? Bapati left. Let's go. Look at that. Sir, B minus C and B minus A and C minus A and C minus B plus. You have to multiply all this one together and you will get something. And again, this time also you have to B minus C and B minus A will be cancelled out. And this one, and this one left. You have to multiply all this one together, and then in the last, everything will be cancelled out. But it's very, very complex. This time, yes, sir, it was very beautiful. Sir, it was very beautiful. It was easy. Now this time, speak. Listen now. Listen. One more thing we can do. What is that? By something will come here, we can take the common. By whatever that will come here, in the second place, we can take common. Don't worry about this. We can do the one more option we have. One more idea we have. One more Vodafone we have. Right? One more Aircell we have. Airtel we have right now. Get that point? Let's go. Let's go. So guys, if sir, somebody wants to do that, you can do, no problem. I'm just leaving for you. You're gonna solve this question by yourself. Later tomorrow, I'm gonna check copy directly like this way. Okay, like this way. You're gonna solve this one. No changes. No changes. You're gonna solve this. Now I'm gonna solve this. This by not by the tomorrow. I'm gonna check copy. Start to make the questions. Start to make the questions. You cannot say. You cannot say anymore. Start. You have to revise. You have to make the fair notebook, and you have to make the questions. You understand that? You get that point. Start to make the questions. Fair notebook and make the questions. Fair notebook, revision, fair notebook, revision, fair notebook, revision, practice, practice, practice as much as you can. And as soon as possible. Life is too short. Don't for your right time. Don't wait for your right time. Time has come to do that. Something we knew. Try to understand that. Time has come. Now come here. Come here now. Come on, man, come on. You will say, sir, 1 second, let me copy now. A minus P and A minus C, right or wrong? Yes or no, yaar? Okay, plus, what is that? Sir, A minus B and a B minus C. Okay? And here's a C minus B. I'm going to change only this one. Only this one. Now, and yesterday, he was asking the question. He was asking, so now asking a question and he is stuck in that question. What was that? Sir, for example, it is A minus B and it is, let's assume it is B minus C. And a minus 1 is outside. Minus 1 is outside. Let's assume. Minus 1 is outside. What will happen? This will multiply with this one and this will multiply with this one. Both? Nah. Either this will multiply with this one or we cannot do with the both one. We cannot do that with the both one. What is so? For example, what does it mean that? So minus 1 multiply the A. What will you get? Minus A. Minus 1 multiply the minus B. What will you get? Plus B. And a minus 1 multiply with the minus B plus B. It will be minus B. Minus 1 multiply the plus B plus C. It will be the minus C. It will be plus C. Ray nonsense. Ray. It has done. Khatam. Finish. Because it is a single term. It is a single term. It is a single term. All this are single term. You cannot do this. You cannot do this. What I'm saying now, like you cannot. It will be as it is. This will be copied as it is. B minus C. It will be as it is. Only this will happen. Let me tell you what I'm saying. By I'm telling you, for example, x minus y multiply with the minus c, and we have, let's assume, z minus a. What is that? For example, I have this. Okay, tell me now, yaar. By minus c, either multiply with this one or whatever you want, you can do that. But multiply with the only one term. So let's assume I'll multiply this one or this one. But how will you write that? That's very important. How will you write that? That's very x minus y. So minus c multiply with the minus z. It will be minus c z. Minus c multiply with the plus a. It will be plus c a. It will be written like this way. You cannot write. Sir, can I do this? Can I do this? No. It was a single term. All this was single term over there. You have to put the bracket there. Very important, guys. Very important. Right, wrong? Right, wrong? So somebody will say, no, sir, I don't want to multiply this one or this one. I want to multiply this one or this one. So multiply, na yaar. Break the bracket. Minus c multiply with the x. What will you get, guys? Minus xc. And minus y multiply with the plus minus c. What will you get, guys? Plus yc. Right, wrong? And now z minus. Tell me now, yaar. Z minus a na. But it will be as it is. You cannot say this will multiply this one and this will multiply this one. You cannot do that. Let me tell you what I'm talking about. Sir, I am talking about, for example, I have minus x and a plus b plus c. For example, I have this. Now this time what will happen? All these are different terms. A, B, C are different terms. Now this time what will happen, guys? This will multiply this one, and this one together. This time will happen. So guys, it will be the minus xa, or we can say ax. We can write ax. Ax is more beautiful. Ax minus bx and minus cx. I can do this. I can do this. Let me write the one more. Let me write the one more. For example, sir, I have a minus x plus minus c minus, let's assume I have g. Okay. For example, I have this. Now this time understand that. By a minus b and c minus d separated by the minus. You know, two different terms are there. So minus x multiplied with this one as well as this one this time. This time, don't be confused. So minus x multiplied with this one as well as this one. So what I'm telling you now, what I'm telling you now, what I'm telling you, sir, I'm telling you now, I'm telling you now, don't stop. इस बार नजर पड़ गई छोड़ दिया मैं, नजर उधर मत कर जब तक I look at the ball until I finish, look at the ball until I finish, क्योंकि घिस दूंगा कान के नीचे तो कान पूरा लाल हो जाएगा तुम्हारा, सच कह रहा हूँ, बम बम करेगा कान, फ्रीक्वेंसी डाइवर्ट होगा सीधा एक कान से सीधा दूसरे कान में इससे कुछ नहीं होगा, ये वाला जो कान है ना, ये वाला कान खत्म सर क्या हो गया, फ्रीक्वेंसी कहां से कहां तक गया, गया वेब बन के. So now in this time, what I'm telling you now, so this one, now this term and this one, two different separate terms are there. By this term, this and minuses will multiply with this one as well as this one. So what will happen, guys? Minus x a plus b, and minus into minus, what will happen, guys? Plus and x c minus d. I didn't open the bracket now. I didn't open the bracket. I'm going to open the bracket now. Arey bhai sahab, listen now. I did not open this bracket. I did not open. What I did, it was the plus here, plus minus multiply plus. It was minus. And it was minus here, minus multiply minus. It is plus. And x was there. The x is at the c minus g as it is. Now what will happen if I want to open the bracket? What will happen, guys? It will be minus ax and a minus bx. But whenever I write x, a, b, it means consider a number there. Consider some numbers. Let's assume x is 2, a 5, b, anything. By tag any number there. I mean, these are represent a prime minister is the representative of our country. Similarly, a is the representative of any number. So now, what will happen, guys? Plus. What will happen, guys? C x. Tell me, guys. Minus b x. I hope you understood this concept. Do you understand that? Do you understand that? Do you understand that? Now come back here, sir. B minus c and b is c minus b. I will keep it as it is. But a minus b minus a, I'm gonna change because it is a minus b. I wanna make it a minus b. Now try to understand that. Sir, b minus c. I'm gonna take now the minus one common from here. How do we write that? That's very important. How do we write that? That's very important. That's very important. Okay, that's very important. Guys, what will happen? You tell me. Yeah, either you can write the minus b plus a, decorate. And minus p, right, wrong? Tell me now, yaar. A minus b plus. Now you tell me. Sir, c minus a, it is a minus c. And also this time I have to change both. Why? Sir, c minus a, a minus c. By c minus a, and it is a minus c. Let's make it. Either you can change this one or this one, but I will keep this one. So change both one. लाठी वाठी तुम लोग खा रहे बुद्धि वो जो होता ना, वो जो बांस का जो निचला वाला हिस्सा होता है, निचला वाला जैसे बुद्धि होता है, देखियो उसे बुद्धि बोलते हैं. जैसे ही अब्बू ना कभी उड़ते थे ना भाई, मैं समझ गया बुद्धि लेने गया हूँ. पहले भागो, रात के 2 बज रहा हो, रात से 2 बजता नहीं था क्योंकि 7-8 बजे पूछ रहे थे क्वेश्चन. रात का 7 बज रहा हो, 8 बज रहा हो, पहले भागो. रात का खाना कहाँ खाएंगे, कहाँ सोएंगे, छोड़ो. नहीं, थर्मस नहीं है. पानी लेके आओ, पानी लेके आना एक बोतल. बुद्धि, अब बोलते तो बुद्धि बोला नहीं, खत्म हो गया यार. मैं सोचा वो लेके आऊँ. अबू की निशानी, एक तो चेयर पे, जिस चेयर पे बैठते थे मैं चेयर उठा के लेते आया हूँ, रखा हुआ चेयर, बड़ा मजा आता है. अबू बैठते मेरे शान से, मैं भी बैठता हूँ शान से, मजा आता है. मेरे अबू लुंगी पहन के बैठते थे, मैं भी कल लुंगी पहन के वीडियो बनाया, बहुत मजा आया मेरे को. अबू की यादें आई मुझे. अबू की चेयर उठा के लाया, गाड़ी पे बांध के पूरे रास्ते. सब पूछ रहा कहाँ ले जा रहे हो, घर में कहाँ ले जा रहे हो, इस बाप की जागीर को कहाँ ले जा रहे हो, इस सल्तनत को उठा कहाँ ले जा रहे हो. कहीं उठाने ले जा रहे हैं सर. बड़े भाई, चचरा भाई, इस सल्तनत इसको उठा कहाँ ले जा रहे हो तुम, कहीं ले जा रहे हैं. उसे क्या पता कि एक आह है सीने में, एक दर्द छिपी है वीरान वादियों में. उसे कैसे समझाऊं मैं, ये अल्फाजों से छोड़िए ना यार. देखें. So now in this time now, let's come. A minus p, 1 by a minus p and into a minus. Tell me ना यार. तर्जमे को साड़ी पर बहुत फेमस है ना, वो जो गीत तुमने सुना नहीं, बड़े उम्र भर की थी वो दास्तां जिसे तुम हंसी में उड़ा गए, मेरे दर्द की थी वो दास्तां जिसे तुम हंसी में उड़ा गए, है ना. बड़ा मजा आता है. ऐसे लोग बड़े दिन बाद पैदा होते हैं यार, सच में. ये जो सिखाने वाले लोग होते हैं ना, ये जो एक रुतबा, एक सोच, एक आइडियोलॉजी बख्श के जाते हैं ना दुनिया को, एक इमेज दे के जाते हैं ना, ये लोग बड़े देर से पैदा होते हैं. लेकिन होते जरूर हैं। हर 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 टाइम आप देखें, इब्न सीना, अबुल अला मौदूदी, सावलिल्लाह देहलवी, अशरफ अली थानवी। अकबर के टाइम में कौन था यार, पता नहीं कौन था। उसने कहा था कि उसने, पता नहीं औरंगजेब के टाइम में, अकबर के टाइम में उसने एक बात बोला था, वो था कोई वलीउल्लाह था, वो पहुंचे हुए। उसने राजा, वो ना उस टाइम का राजा, उसने कहा कि मैं मिलना चाहता हूँ। उसने बुलाया उसको, उसने कहा कि दरवेश नहीं आता है राजा के महल, दरवेश राजा के महल नहीं आया करते। कहा राजा ही आ जाएगा। कहा कि राजा आएगा जरूर, लेकिन मेरे घर के 2 दरवाजे, एक दरवाजे से राजा एंटर करेगा, दूसरे दरवाजे दरवेश निकल जाएगा। ये थी बुलंदी। गरीबी में नाम पैदा कर, नया जुबान नया इस्लाम पैदा। मतलब अल्लामा इकबाल, वो तो अल्लामा इकबाल बाद में कह गए, मुझे लगता है पहले होना चाहिए था उनको। ये वाली बात उन पे फिट आ रही है ना, ये वाली बात उनमें फिट आ गई, वो वाले आदमी पे ना। परिंदों की दुनिया का क्या हूं, दरवेश में। शाही नहीं बनाता आशियाना, ना तो जमी के लिए ना आसमां के लिए, ये जहां है तेरे लिए, तू नहीं जहां के लिए। बहुत बड़े मुश्किल से आते हैं ये आइडियोलॉजी, द फिलॉसफी ऑफ लाइफ, साइकोलॉजी ऑफ लाइफ, बड़ी मुश्किल से। लेट्स कम बैक यार, फिर से बातें स्टार्ट हो जाएंगी। लेट्स कम ऑन, कम ऑन सर, b minus c and a minus b, no b minus a, let's go यार, come on now, try to understand that, try to understand now. Sir, I want to change the both, I want to change them, because now it is a minus c, now it is c minus a, I want to make it a minus c. It is c minus b, I want to make b minus c. Okay, you getting me? Do you feel me? So let's take now. Now this time I took the LCM, I took the common minus 1. But this time try to understand. I took the common from here as well as from here. So if I'll take the minus common from here, what will be? It will be a minus. Yeah, so many times I discussed now. Yaar. It is c minus a. It will be a minus c. If I take the common, either we can take the minus, or you can take the minus, or right, you can take the minus 1 as well. But you say no, sir, I don't want the minus. I just want the minus only. Let's take minus. What will happen, guys? B minus C. Tell me now, yaar. Alright, yaar, I took the common this minus from here. Minus is there, okay? Now it will be this. It was C minus A, and it will be A minus C, right? Now I took the common from minus from here. It will be minus, and it will be. Tell me now, yaar. Okay, now just try solve. Now solve. First, deal with the minus. First, deal with the minus. Don't deal with anyone. First, deal with the. I'm telling you, it is very irritating. It is like itching on the body, right? Let's go. In the summertime, okay? Minus is like the itching in the body in the summertime, right? और सफाई रखोगे तो होगा, itching तो होगा ही। नहाओगे नहीं, 3-4 दिन से बैठे हुए हो, कहाँ से होगा? itching तो होगा, अभी भी हो रहा होगा तुम लोग को। नहाते नहीं हो तुम लोग। खुद का देश बदलने चले हो, खुद का बदलो पहले। Change yourself first of all. Change your, be disciplined yourself first of all. इधर से नहीं, इधर से। इसको ठिकाना मिला। सर प्लस मल्टीप्लाई माइनस, प्लस मल्टीप्लाई माइनस, इसको ठिकाने पे ला, वरना ये तुम्हारा ठिकाना लगा देगा, लगा देगा ठिकाने पे। और चालबाज है, उड़नबाज। प्लस मल्टीप्लाई माइनस, व्हाट विल गेट गाइस? b minus c, a minus b. सर माइनस इंटू माइनस, या प्लस मल्टीप्लाई प्लस। Do you feel me? 1 by, what will you get, guys? A minus C, B minus C. Now let's see that. Sir, A minus B, A minus B, A minus C, A minus C, B minus C, B minus C. So I can take the LCM A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. No, not C minus A. Now listen. Why? Listen. Actually, it is. You can say perhaps you are thinking like this. Sir, A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. It will be. Bhai, be careful now. Be careful now. Bhai, A minus B, A minus B was there. B minus C, B minus C was there. Bhai, it is not C minus A. It is A minus C because I have changed this one. If I change this one, then I'll get C minus A. Bhai, listen. If I want to keep this one, if I want to make it in order, if I want to make it like speaking beautiful. If you want to make it in speaking in spoken is beautiful, then you will change this one, not this one. What will happen if you take the minus one from here? What will be? It will be C minus A. Then you will take the LCM A minus B, B minus C, and C minus A. So that's why in this time we have to be careful. We have to be. Tell me now, yaar. We have to be careful. So what will you get, guys? Bhai, A minus B, A minus B. I have taken A minus C, A minus C. Sorry, B minus C, B minus C. I have taken. A minus C and A minus C. I will write A minus C. Right or wrong? Now just try to understand why. How did we come back now? Write this. Sir, A minus B, A minus C. Right? Comma. Now I'll put the comma here. Now B minus C, A minus B, comma. A minus C, B minus C. Right? Yeah. Listen. What is that? A minus B and A minus C. B minus C and A minus B. Next two. A minus C, B minus C. Right or wrong? Tell me now, yaar. You will say, sir, let's go back to the childhood, sir. Let's go back to the now lakhs of seconds before. Boss. Let's go to lakhs of seconds before. Let's go back now. Let's go back to ancient time. Lakhs of seconds before. Can we say that? We can say that. Lakhs of seconds we have done. We have, yeah, thank you. I don't know how to speak. So guys, now, so somebody will say tag A. So tag, hello. Don't tag A. Tag any of the form. I'll tag A minus B. So A minus B, A minus C divided by A minus B. What will you get? A minus B. Consider this term as a single term. आजा बेटा, आजा, come on, आजा. तलाश पानी ले गया. समुद्र उठा के लाओ. ना दिल लगी से ना दिल की लगी से खतरा है. हमें दोस्त तेरे दोस्ती से खतरा है. एक चिराग जो रोशन है सब चिरागों में. इसको हवा से नहीं रोशनी से खतरा है. तमाम खतरों में एक खतरा ये भी है, जो जिसके साथ है उसको उसी से खतरा है. आप पूरी जिंदगी में मुहासबा करें. आपको जब भी कोई रुलाया है तो कोई खास ही अपने ही थे या जानने वाले थे, और आपने भी जिसको रुलाया है वो कोई खास ही अपने थे और जानने वाले. ये मत सोचो कि हम कोई दूध के धुले हुए नहीं है. ये मत सोचो. भाई ये बात मैं हेड करने के लिए नहीं बोलता, सिर्फ ये बोलता कि एक्टिव रहें. साइकोलॉजिकल चल क्या रहा है. साइकोलॉजी, इसको बोलते साइकोलॉजिकल वार. क्या बोलते इसको? साइकोलॉजिकल वार बोलते इसको. जिसको जहां तक राब्ता होगा, जहां तक वास्ता होगा वहीं तक राब्ता होगा. ठीक है जी, समझ लो बात. Thank you. Come on, guys. Come on. Now, let's come back. Don't worry, guys. All these are philosophical things. I'm not studying philosophical things. I love to study from the Gemini. Oof. What? Everything going step by step. I love to do that, guys. You have to study as well. Not now. Let the time come. Sir, now, A minus B. Sir, so you will get B minus C. Now, sir, so A minus C and B minus C. Look at the board. Sir, this time, what do you want to take? Either you can take A minus C or you can take. So you will say, sir, I want to go in order. Let's go B minus C. So it will be copied. By tag the bracket. Very important. You cannot tag the bracket. Very important. So it will be A minus C, B minus C. What is left? A minus C. Right, wrong? So guys, now one. So let's multiply together. A minus P, B minus C, and A minus C. I hope you understood that. How did we write the LCM here? You can understand there. Do you understand that? Tell me now. Now let's go. From here you can solve. There. A minus B, and A minus C will be cancelled. What is left? B minus C. Okay. And again you solve this one. And after that you will put the X, and whatever the result will come out, put upon the X, right? And get the answer. So I hope you understood this thing. Okay? Copy this board only. Copy this board only. Copy down. Hey, Symbol, how are you?